Hi friends, how are you? Good morning to all of you. I hope that you had a good night's sleep and welcome back to my channel. Let's continue from yesterday where I stopped this story. They took 55,000 rupees from us for all the applications and all. After that, I went back to Pune. For 15 days I was waiting for any kind of communication. I didn't get any kind of communication from them. So again I gave a call to that lady who stated that she's the branch in charge. Still she said that, ma'am, we are looking into the matter. I'll inform you. Meanwhile, my son gave me a call stating that, Mummy, some other consultancy people have given a message. Let's go and meet them. So I came in between, in middle of the week to Hyderabad because it was a holiday. Being a holiday through all over India, so I came back to Hyderabad. That day we went to that consultancy. You won't believe that consultancy is existing only in 2 rooms, like 10 into 10, 2 rooms. In one room only one receptionist was there, one boy was sitting and he was processing, I think, the applications. And in the other room they were meeting with the students. There was only one small sofa or some 2 chairs or something like that. So we went and we met the counselor. Shalini was her name. I told her very clearly that this is what has happened. We have already approached one consultancy. We have paid so much of amount, and I didn't get any kind of confirmation whether they have processed the applications or not. I've done something with my son's application, something with my son's admissions. She said that, Auntie, let me be very frank. For 58%, don't expect to get a seat. Don't expect admission in any kind of university in anywhere in the world. If somebody says and promises that you will get, then they might be bluffing. She said that I studied in Seneca College in Toronto. I was here in India for 6 months for some kind of break or something like that. She said that I know very well about admissions. That's why I'm telling, don't expect that your son is going to get admission in any kind of universities. Then I said that in Lambton College there is a course for 2 years in cybersecurity. Can you process it? Then she told me one thing, that you all over the world you can apply only once to one college. You can have a choice of 3 or 4 choices of courses. But once your student ID is generated in that college, you cannot help it. I was having soft copies of my son's all documents. So I said that, Shalini, why don't you just try for Lambton College? Because since we have not received any kind of communication from them, so you better try once to Lambton College. You won't believe, she processed the application, and my son got an admission in Lambton College in 1 week. We got a confirmation letter. Then I gave a call to that lady, the other consultancy, first consultancy. The lady, she said that, no ma'am, still we are looking into that. I cannot confirm for your son's admission in Canada. Then I searched the website. I found out the number of the managing director, I think managing partner or managing director. I gave a call to that man. He said that, ma'am, I'm in a meeting, I'm busy, I'm in Chennai, I'll talk to you later. Then I said that, if you're not going to listen to me now, I'm going to lodge a complaint against your consultancy in Hyderabad. Then he said that, no ma'am, seriously, I'm in a meeting. I'll come back to you in 10 minutes. Again in 10 minutes he gave me a call, and he said, I told him everything, whatever has happened. But I didn't say that my son has already got admission in Lambton College. Then he said that, ma'am, come on Saturday to my consultancy. I'll be there in Hyderabad. Let's discuss about that. So Saturday I went over there. Along with me, I took that admission letter, fees, remittance and all letters, all details I got. So me and my son went to that consultancy. I asked him, what is the condition? What is the status of my son's application? Then he called those 2 ladies, the counselor and the other lady. They said that, sir, we are still looking into this, that. They were telling all stories. Actually, before coming to Hyderabad, I gave a call again to the counselor. Her name I don't remember, Prasanna or something like that, I don't remember. I gave a call to that lady, that counselor. She said that, ma'am, we are sorry, we could not process your son's application. There will be admissions for Jan intake also. That time we won't take any money. With this money only we will process your son's application. That's what she told. So actually, since these people were bluffing to us, I recorded all the conversations on my phone. So when I met that man, I gave that conversation. I told him that, see, your counselor is telling this and your branch manager is telling this. Now tell me what is the truth. I want to know the truth. Then that lady who called herself as a branch manager, she told that the branch which is there in Hyderabad is not the parent branch. They have a headquarters or some tie-up in Delhi. Those people only again scrutinize the applications which these people forward, and finally they'll send it to the universities or colleges. So they said, that lady said that, ma'am, your son is not meeting the requirements for Lambton College. That's why we couldn't process. Then I told that man, see, for the past 1.5 months, I think I have given the money 1.5 months back. I have been running behind your consultancy for the past 3 months. Why you people didn't tell me in the beginning itself? Why you took my 55,000 rupees? Why now you are telling? Why you have been bluffing for all these months? I said that when you have not processed my son's applications, I have paid 9,000 rupees for air mailing charges. So you give me back that money at least. He said that, no ma'am, it is not that we have not forwarded your son's applications, your son's documents. I said that if you have forwarded, give me the airmail receipt. They said that no, we can't give you the airmail receipts because we send it in bulk. We cannot separate it and we cannot give you. But we have already forwarded your son's applications. Then I showed him, see, this is what my son got admission in Lambton College and you people are bluffing to me. So give me back my money. Otherwise, I'm going to give a complaint. I'm going to give a call on 100 number. I'm going to call police people and I'm going to lodge a complaint. Then after a very long fight, I think 3 hours we fought like anything. They gave me back only that money for that admission fee they have taken for Lambton College. No? Only that 5,000 or 6,000 I think. They gave me back only that money. Apart from that, I lost 50,000 rupees. That's why, see, it is not a story. I'm not cultivating a story just to get the fame. It is not like that. It is what has happened to me and to my son. So please be aware of all the consultancies. Please be cautious about what they tell to you. Be cautious. Do good homework. Be firm with what kind of course you want to go, what kind of college, university, wherever you want to go, what is the fee structure, what are the course curriculum, and in which country you want to go. Be firm. Make a list of all those things. Then only you please approach any consultancy. And before finalizing yourself with one consultancy, my request is that you better visit at least 3 or 4 consultancies. If you go once or twice to the consultancies, you will come to know what is their attitude, what is the stories, because it cannot be the same with all the consultancies, isn't it? Somewhere down the line they differ. So we can get a comparative statement, or we can draw a line, then we can finalize where these people can help us in getting the admissions. Don't be fooled by the consultancies. This is the way how we got fooled for 50,000 rupees. With great difficulty, I got back my 5,000 rupees. See, money is money. For it. If it is 5 rupees, if it is 5,000, if it is 5 lakhs, or if it is 5 crores. Fooling means it's a fooling. That means that they are fraud. They are doing fraud. So if we lost 5,000 or 50,000, still it is a fraud. So don't become a prey to fraud consultancies. Be careful. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There is a bell icon next to the subscription. Please press that button so that you will get updates whenever new video is posted in my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.